In the last two classes, we were discussing about our circulatory system. You have learnt that it has three parts: blood, blood vessels and heart. We have already discussed blood and blood vessels. Now we are going into the details of heart. Let us see where is heart located in our body. It is situated in the chest between the two lungs. Thus, ribs give protection to lungs as well as heart. In addition to the protection by ribs, heart is enveloped with two membranes called pericardium with a fluid in between. They reduce the friction of heart when it beats. What is heart made of? Heart is a muscular organ. It is made of muscles called cardiac muscles. The word cardiac means related to heart. What is the doctor who treats the problems of heart called? What is the size of our heart? Our heart has approximately the size of our fist. കൈയുടെ മുഷ്ടിയുടെ അത്രയും വലിപ്പം. Now let us check the shape of our heart. How does it look like? To me, it looks like an inverted triangle. തല കീഴായി വെച്ച ഒരു ട്രയാങ്കിളിൻ്റെ ഷേപ്പ് പോലെ തോന്നുന്നില്ലേ? What is the function of heart? Heart is a blood collecting and pumping organ. It collects carbon dioxide containing deoxygenated or impure blood on the right side. The blue arrows you see is the flowing path of deoxygenated blood. It collects and pumps O2 containing oxygenated or pure blood on the left side. The red arrow marks show the flowing pathway of oxygenated blood through heart. Heart is located in the center of the chest. Then why do we hear heartbeat from the left side? Lower tip of heart is tilted, ചെരിഞ്ഞിരിക്കുക, to the left. That's why we hear heartbeat from the left side of our chest. What is heartbeat? I have already told that heart is a muscular organ. All the muscles have two types of movement: contraction and regaining the original shape. അതായത് ചുരുങ്ങുകയും പിന്നെ അതിൻ്റെ ശരിയായ ഷേപ്പിലേക്ക് തിരിച്ചു വരികയും ചെയ്യുക. Heart muscles also contract and relax rhythmically. The upper part contract. This is followed by the contraction of the lower part. ആദ്യം മുകൾ ഭാഗം ചുരുങ്ങും, ആ സമയം താഴ്ഭാഗം വികസിക്കും. This rhythmic contraction followed by its relaxation constitute a heartbeat. Heart starts beating when we are 6.5 to 7 weeks in your mother's uterus. It does not stop till you die. But yes, of course, our heart stops for a while during heart attack. So collect the details what happens to our heart during an attack. How can we measure our heartbeat? By using stethoscope. Feel your heartbeat by keeping palm on the chest. We can try making a stethoscope at our home itself. See the activity 11.2 in your textbook. Also, check out to measure your pulse rate using this technique. Take a matchstick and a thumbnail. Insert the thumbnail into the lower side of the matchstick. Keep it carefully on your wrist. You can see the matchstick shaking due to pulse.